One of the first things that people learn when they start using Excel is how to highlight or select a certain range of cells. Well, that's all well and good if it's within a reasonable amount. Like you can highlight and select, 50, 100 rows. That's not a big deal. But what happens if you only want to select the first 1,000 rows out of a data set that's 10,000 rows long? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very, very quick way where you can just enter in the coordinates and select exactly what you want, have it highlighted, and it's super easy. Check it out. All right, let's take a look at this data here. So we have 20,000 records, 20,000 names and addresses, and I want to break it up because I want to do 4 equal mailings of 5,000 each. Well, how do I do that? So if I want to break it out into, let's say, group 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to select the first 5,000 for the first mailing. Now, most people would actually just highlight this and drag all the way down until they get to row 5001, which is 5,000 records. There's a much easier way to do that. All you have to do is go here to the name box and specify the range that you want. So we know we're going to go with row 2 because that's where the first entry is. So we start with A2 colon and we go through G 5001 because that would be 5,000 rows or 5,000 records. Enter, and now it's actually highlighted for us, selected that full range. You see it stops in row 5001, and I can just cut it, Control X, go into my first sheet, and there we go. There's my next range. If I want to do the same thing again, I can go back here, and I'm going to start with A5002 and go through G10002, and there's my next 5,000 records. Copy, paste, etc. So that's a real quick and easy way to highlight exactly what you want just by putting in the coordinates up here in the name box, and it's super fast and simple.